In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Smartsheet Error Code 1008 quickly and easily. If you're seeing this error pop up while working on your sheet, trying to update data, or saving changes, don't worry. This issue is usually related to temporary glitches, permission problems, formatting conflicts, or connection issues. I'll walk you through 6 simple steps to resolve it and get your workflow back on track. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important fixes. And if this video helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more Smartsheet troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1 is to wait and retry. Error code 1008 can sometimes appear due to temporary server issues or brief system delays within Smartsheet. If the platform is processing a large request or experiencing minor downtime, the error may resolve itself within a few minutes. Give it a short moment, then try performing the same action again, whether that's saving, editing, or updating your sheet. In many cases, simply retrying fixes the issue instantly. If that doesn't work, step 2 is to refresh the page. Sometimes your browser session may time out or fail to sync properly with Smartsheet servers. Refreshing the page forces the system to reload the latest version of your sheet. To do this, click the refresh button in your browser or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. Once the page reloads, try your action again and see if the error disappears. Next, step 3 is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt communication between your browser and Smartsheet, triggering error code 1008. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or switching to a wired connection. You can also test your connection speed using an online speed test. After confirming your internet is stable, reload Smartsheet and try again. Step 4 is to verify your data format. This error can sometimes occur if the data you're entering doesn't match the column's expected format. For example, entering text into a date column or adding special characters into a restricted field can cause issues. Double-check that each column is set to the correct type, such as text, number, date, or dropdown. Adjust your input so it matches the required format, then save your changes. Now let's move to step 5, which is to remove read-only or formula columns from your update. If you're importing data or making bulk changes, Smartsheet may block edits to columns that contain formulas or are set to read-only. Review your sheet and identify any columns that automatically calculate values. Avoid editing those directly. Instead, update only editable fields and let the formulas calculate automatically. Finally, step 6 is to check your permissions. If you don't have the proper access level, Smartsheet may prevent you from making changes and display error code 1008. Click on the Share button in the top right corner and review your permission level. If you're listed as a viewer or commenter, you won't be able to edit the sheet. Contact the sheet owner or admin and request editor or admin access if needed. Once your permissions are updated, try again. So to quickly recap, start by waiting and retrying, then refresh the page, check your internet connection, verify your data format, avoid editing read-only or formula columns, and confirm your permissions. One of these steps will usually resolve Smartsheet Error Code 1008. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the problem fast. If it did, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.